guys, it's
Mommy
and Mally
Crew.
And we are back with another video. We are doing, I guess, so there's this 2-song spicy noodles, and this is the chicken version that you put on the chicken. This is how it looks.
Okay, we gotta do our thumbnail.
Yeah, okay. What do you want to see? Well, we have to, what's the chicken in there?
That's cool. We called up a piece of chicken.
Okay.
That's fine. This chicken I made from earlier, y'all.
Yeah.
I had
Alright,
fried
so
chicken,
I guess we can just get right into it.
baked chicken. But we need to put we need to do a thumbnail with the spicy sauce, don't you think? Just hold it in the middle.
Alright.
Let's do that.
Hold on. Okay, that's good.
Okay, hopefully that'll work.
Yeah.
But anywho, you can unwrap it, Mally. Show what it look like.
Okay, it says shake well on the thing, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is what it looks like right now. That looks toxic. Well, that looks very toxic.
Yeah, well, you gotta put it on yours. You put it on yours first, and I'll put some on mine. So, with this challenge, we have to, or the person that is gonna be the winner has to eat all 3 wings. It's no time. We ain't gonna put a time limit on it. We'll see who eat the 3 wings with the sauce the fastest. We'll say that.
Yeah.
And whoever is the last person to take a drink is gonna win $100 cash money.
Yep.
So Malachi think that he up for the challenge. I was like, boy, put your money where your mouth is, because you not gonna beat me.
Alright, whatever.
I keep telling him I ain't pregnant no more, so he can't wait to do this challenge, to try to challenge me.
Take it.
Whatever. I'm all ready.
Okay, put it on there.
So, anywho, I hope y'all having a good day, or had a good day. Our day been pretty busy, doing laundry, me cooking, taking care of the baby, all that good stuff. So let me put out my sauce. He's drenching his in his sauce, so let me make sure I drench mine, y'all. So it's per game. We got our water over to the side. So we gonna see who about to be the winner.
Yep.
You know, I'm just saying Team Mommy, you know, nut major.
Team Mally. You already know. Alright.
Alright, hold on. Let me do this.
Right,
Let me do this.
Get right there, too, on that one.
I am. Chill.
I didn't...
Chill.
Look, y'all.
Chill.
See
He can't wait. He can't wait
y'all
to try
see
to
that?
beat me.
Now, look. If I rub my eyes, it's over. It's over. It's over.
OV.
Yeah, y'all see this right now?
Anywho. Okay. I think all of my wings is,
Let me see.
is drenched too.
Mine is...
Why you trying to check? Why you trying to check on mine?
see this?
Why you trying to check on mine?
That's all the way drenched.
I got mine though.
Alright.
Right, mine's drenched too.
Alright,
So
come on.
what's up? What's up? What you want to do?
Alright,
So
start.
you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit! I want my $100. Period. I want my $100.
It was at this moment, if y'all look at this boy's face, he knew he messed up.
It's so spicy, y'all.
Spicy as hell. For my baby viewers, and my young viewers, don't be using profanity. But this hot is chicken grease. Mm-mm. Mm. Okay. I got one down, y'all.
One down.
On me, my lips is burning.
This doesn't affect me. Doesn't affect me. Just slight work. Not even hot. Not even hot.
Last one.
No.
No. You gotta clean your bones. You gotta clean your bones. Nah. Your bones not clean, son. You're not clean. You're not compared to man. Not compared to man.
I'm done. I'm done.
Get my hand out. He just threw up, y'all. Go. Ugh.
I'm sorry.
Where my honey at? That's not coming out my nose. Sorry, y'all. Who? Who ain't win?
Show off.
Bones clean. He don't be wanting none of this, y'all. He kept saying he was going to whoop me. I need him to run me my honey, though. Whew. $100. Is that you? I think somebody knocking at the door. That's my $100 bill. I won.
Oh, no, first card. No, I'm joking.
I won. My mouth is burning. I have nothing else left.
I have one thing left.
You clean that up. Whoa.
Whew. She cheated.
Anyway, here's trying to tell y'all I was a cheater.
No, she cheated. I need $200 extra.
Alright, so as always, we tell y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if y'all want us to do a $200 challenge. He ain't ready though. He don't want no round two. I won, he lost.
Do something else other than spice.
And that's just what it is. But anyway, my mouth burning. And my nose running.
Man. Please don't try this at home, y'all.
This is going to be the end of this video. As I always tell y'all, Believe in yourself. If you put your mind to it, you can do it. And don't ever let nobody else tell you different. We gonna have to catch y'all in the next video. Cause I'm out burning. And I can't talk no more. Peace.